Oh, wow. Look at my little girl. Here we go. There we go. Now we've got to try on the ballet shoes.
Yes, now I'll just measure your feet.
And you'll have to learn which foot. Now just walk normally. No, just walk, darling. How does it feel?
A little bit more. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. There you go. Now see if you can stand up very tall and straight. Oh, beautiful.
Good girl.
Another ditty.
Ah, this is good. So cool in here.
So can you hold your hands up like this? That's it. And see if you can find your longest finger and push it together with your thumb like that.